Oh no. Right. So I've just had a Boohoo order. I am not a fast fashion buyer, but I'm human. I caved to, there was an offer on thing. I bought only recycled materials, apart from one top, which I now know I've been cursed. I bought these lovely joggers, recycled, fit lovely. Bought these lovely joggers, recycled, lovely. Bought this recycled cord, not lovely, going back. Tried this, your basic turtleneck, not recycled, nearly killed me. It's nearly annihilated me. Sorry, this has literally just happened and I've just stopped crying. So I'm trying this on. I'm a size 6 to 8, can I just say, and I bought this in an 8. It's the smallest thing I've ever tried to put on my head.
That's what she said.
Basically, if you're unaware, which you won't be aware, I have like literally since I've been growing up, I have had dodgy trap muscles. Do you know on bodybuilders when they've got that bit here that like comes up a bit? This part of my like shoulder slash back, I've just always had issues. Like when I was younger, I used to go weekly to the hospital and get acupuncture, and they'd like massage it while a needle was in and stuff. It was a whole thing. To be fair, they've like not been playing up for a good few years, but hey ho, here we are. So about a week ago, I was cleaning under the kitchen cupboards, and it's my left one, I'm now discovering. I can't even recreate the move now, which is brilliant. If you imagine I'm lying on the floor and I reach this arm up to here, and basically what happens is somehow this muscle like locks. I don't know what it is. It's like a stabbing pain. It's as if something's like locked funny and it stabs me like in the neck, it feels like. So like that was pretty bad. That was like horrible. But now it's just happened again and I was stuck in this top. So imagine me stuck in the head of this top. I'm trying to get my arm in the armhole and the muscle has locked. I'm not joking. I was like in agony. Could not move my neck. To get out of the top, I actually had to like move into the pain. So I've literally, I'm in agony and I've got to make it more painful to get out. Basically done that and I've effed it. So I've like gotten my arm out and then literally like I was like in the most pain I've been in quite a long time. I'm like moving my whole body to look for my phone to call Tom. So I've called Tom in absolute sobbing tears. He's in work and I feel bad because I've like sobbed down the phone. He's like, hello? And I'm like, I can't move my neck. So he thought I'd like broke my neck. So I do feel bad. But yeah, now I'm just sat on the floor. I had to put a jumper on, obviously. That was the worst 5 minutes of my life, possibly. Wow. Solid. And it's ruined me bloody mascara. Sorry, that is not the morning I was wanting. I've just been for a nice cup of tea at my brother's new house. My brother and his girlfriend have just moved in together and it's looking, oh no, I can't even do that. Is that a joke? Uh-oh. So yeah, I've done that. Tom said I now need to ice it and relax for the rest of the day.
I'm partway through putting the shelf system together.
I'm drowning my sorrows with frozen peas, dime bars, and the sorry girls.
Sometimes things don't always work out.
Oh Becky, I love you. Good morning, or afternoon. No, I don't have hair or a bun, sorry. Angles. Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today is, I'm going to actually try and get something done. The injury really threw me off yesterday. Yeah, that was a nightmare. But I am making filler right now. I can't tilt this, otherwise it will be a disaster. So yeah, I'm currently mixing up some filler. I've got my powder in here, so I'm just adding a powder. I watched a video on the ratios this morning and then I think I flipped them over, so I put like way too much water in. But I'm rectifying that by just putting loads of filler in. So we're just gonna have a lot of filler. So I'm gonna try and do the very exciting job of filling like all the holes in the house, because I've got enough filler to do that. I'd say that's a pretty good consistency. Do you want to have a little looky? So here it is. It looks lush. It's proper satisfying actually. I enjoy that. I feel as if that's ASMR. I might just quickly look at another video just to make sure. I think it needs like a teeny bit more filler in, a bit too runny. There's actually a surprising amount of holes in this house. So this is gonna be a good time. The reason I have not started on the wallpaper stripping is because the steamer, which I need, is in the attic. It's a long story, but steamer's in the attic, ladders are downstairs, and Tom won't let me carry them up on my own because I am injured. So I've got to wait for him to get back from work to carry up the ladders to go up into the attic to get the steamer for me to steam the walls. It's very complicated. So instead I'm going to start on the non-wallpapered walls, and I'm going to fill, sand, and maybe even paint. So I was going to start in the living room, but the living room is full of wallpaper. So I'm going to start in the hall. So I shall just show you a very quick before. This is the problem with this hall, is that it's really dark if none of the doors are open. So that is something I definitely want to sort out. I'm thinking of getting, I've had a research, and they're called transom windows. They're basically those windows that go above your doors. I want them to be like modern looking, not like old fashioned, like really like simple, like a pane of glass with maybe like a simple wood frame or something. But this is the hall. Right, so just to give you like a vague idea, because I might try and get down to the front door, but that's the front door. You go straight up the stairs. We have this wall, which used to have a shelving unit on, but now doesn't, which is obviously opened it right up to get sorted. But we've got like holes here, we have some holes up there, which I don't know how on earth I'm gonna get to, because again, the ladders are downstairs. We have holes here, holes here. So I think I'm gonna focus on this part first and then like go from there kind of thing. But yeah, in terms of what I was saying about the windows on top of the doors, so this is your walk in to quite a nice bright living room. So I'm hoping to get window here. I think that would look really good. Possibly the bathroom in the mornings is so bright, so I think it would be quite good to get one there as well. I think those are the priorities, and then if we find like, wow, this is like amazing, then possibly into the main bedroom, or what is going to be the main bedroom. So yeah, anyway, I'm going to check on my filler and then I'm going to get filling. I am going to quickly just like wash the wall and then I'll get on. Okay. Goddamn small people problems. I cannot reach like anywhere near the top. I've got me trusty. It looks like a stool for an elf, but it really helps me. I'm gonna have to bring the like, do you know, oh, I'm not adult to know the name, but is it like an ottoman? Like a cushiony substance? Let's see what we can do. Oh. There's a reason we've never moved this. Oh god. Right room. Let's see. Oh no. This is going to end in tears, so I might as well film it. Okay, you've seen what I'm trying to climb on. Let's wish me luck, shall we? Oh god. Oh god. No, this is such a bad idea. Shit. I'm going to try. I'm going to try. Oh no. No. No, no. No, no. That was the foolishest idea I've ever thought of. Okay. There is nothing tall in this flat, including me. God damn it. I can't think of a single thing. I mean, is this taller than my stool on its own? Ugh. Marginally. Okay. Not a complete failure. Oh, I'm gonna have to get Tom to do it. Oh, I hate that. I want to be able to do this whole thing myself. God. Oh. Do you know when you go dizzy, I'm stretching that much? Don't. Oh well. Okay, so now, word on the street, I have to brush the holes to get dust out. I can see there's loads of dust in there. Can I hoover them? I would say that makes sense. No. Hoover. I think it's hoover time. Sharky baby, it's time. Well, that worked a bloody treat. Righty-o. So, I'm going to tilt it because it looks very tiltable. It's set a bit actually, which hopefully is not really bad. Look at this, oh shit. Look at this bad boy. And then I don't have like an official thingy, like a knife. Like, do you know those little, nice little palette-y things? I do, but I'm using it for wallpaper stripping. Should I just use it? I'm gonna use it. Hiya! Okay, so from what I've seen on the internet, I am just meant to... Oh, just give me a moment there. That'll do nicely. Okay, so... Oh, it's really thickened. What on earth? I literally just stirred you. Oh, bollock. I might need to put some water in it. Uno second. My gosh. It's hard work. Right, okay. I've loosened it a bit. If you can see, it's a bit shiny. Right, let's just do this. Why is it coming out bumpy? Oh man! There's a bloody dog hair in it. A dog hasn't lived here in 3 months. And I'm finding dog hairs everywhere. Right, I honestly don't know how to do this well. I think it's better to put on more than not enough. So I think I'm gonna do that. Okay, pop you on. Why is it coming out like a big fat... Can you see that? How it's like a lump where the hole is. What does that mean? What have I done wrong? I know someone's gonna tell me in the comments. But I'll already have done it by then. I need some instant feedback here. Do you know what? I'm just living my life. Can I please not get any judgment? Right, okay. Is it too thin? Have I now gone from too thick to too thin? Is that why? Right, you're a little hole. Am I doing a good job? I don't know. Good morning, peasants. I filled a lot last night, done a lot of the filling. Me flat is now patchwork territory, but it's fun, it's progress. I've done a load, like I can't even tell you. Like patchy, patchy, patchy. Can you even see? Like patchy, patchy, patch, 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 patchy, patchy. It's the whole 9 yards basically. And there's still more to do. I'm realising there's an entire crack that starts here and goes all the way down, and then crack here all the way down. I'm slightly worried about it. It's quite severe because this one is all the way down to the bottom. Oh, and so is that one. We could fall through at any moment. It's a fun little game that I quite enjoy playing, but I am going to just fill it for now, and then maybe I think we'll just keep an eye on it. Like if it continues to crack, then I think we might need to get a specialist in. But for now, I'm just gonna take my trusty gun, filling gun, and see to this bad lad. But we'll see where we go from there. I'm listening to the Peter Crouch podcast for the first time. I'm having a great time. Done one side. I'd say it's looking pretty good. Hell yeah, compared to the side I haven't done. I'd say I've done a pretty good job. Whoa. Whoa. Hell yeah. I'm just gonna do the other side and then we can get on with something else. After severely injuring myself with dusty eyes, I have had to find a solution. Let's do this. Oh, I fucked up the glasses. Brilliant. Just set the fire alarm off. Get down. Let's try this again.